Hey, this is Josh from Brandswalk, and today we're diving deep into a product that's not just about sound, but also aesthetics. Meet the Small Transparent Speaker. The Small Transparent Speaker is a one-of-a-kind speaker created by a trio of Swedes, driven to create an audio brand focusing on the core responsibility of sustainable design and reducing electronic waste. With that in mind, the Small Transparent Speaker is a step further towards that very goal. In this video, I'll be talking about the unboxing process, the design, sound quality, and just my personal thoughts from day-to-day use. Let's get into it. First up, the unboxing. The process itself is quite special to say the least. You're first prompted to wear the included cotton gloves, which reminded me of unboxing a jewelry piece like a fine watch or a high-end camera. Included with the speaker are long and short audio cables, power cables, AC power plugs, and the manual. One thing I would mention is that the accessories themselves felt a bit on the generic side. The speaker is hidden away in a cotton bag, which was a nice touch when finishing up the unboxing. The setup process is very straightforward. All you need to do is plug in the power cable into the speaker on the bottom AC port, then turn on the speaker by flipping the switch on the front panel. Then, to connect to Bluetooth, just hold on to the function button on the bottom for 3 seconds and the LED should start flashing blue. From there, go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone and it should show up as Small Transparent Speaker. The actual Bluetooth pairing time was very quick and snappy thanks to the speaker's Bluetooth 5.0 capability. For a wired connection, just use the included audio cable and plug into the jack on the bottom panel. Now your speaker is ready to play. Next up, the design. The name says it all. This speaker is transparent and it's not just a gimmick. The clear design is a statement piece. It's minimalistic yet bold. The blend of tempered glass and aluminum gives it a modern touch, making it a piece of art as much as a functional device. Just keeping it in my living room gave such a presence into the space, and it's one of those products that you know will spark up conversation. The material quality itself is excellent. The metal housing feels robust and premium with a strong glass material, which houses the dual speaker cones. As the speaker is mainly constructed with glass, please keep in mind that it is very prone to fingerprints. The volume knob and power switch feels pleasantly tactile and smooth in operation. All of the parts can be disassembled and reassembled for recycling and upgrading parts later down the line, according to Transparent. All in all, the design is something truly unique, and I give credit to the skilled designers behind this product. Now, let's talk features. You can pair multiple devices with an optional Wi-Fi module, and if you have two speakers, you can pair both as a stereo setup left and right. To enable this, first flip both units onto the right side. Plug in the power cables on both speakers and flip the on switches. Now press and hold the button for at least 3 seconds until you see a red light. Then release the button for true wireless pairing mode. Do this on both speakers, and select one of the Small Transparent Speakers in the Bluetooth list on your phone. Your speakers are now a stereo pair. I know most of you are wondering about the sound quality, as using glass material can be a sensitive subject when talking about audio. I too was skeptical at first, but after day-to-day use playing my favorite tunes, I've come to the conclusion that the sound is rich and full enough. Maybe not up to the quality of regularly constructed speakers in similar price ranges, but still great for casual listening. Also, it can get pretty loud, enough to fill up a large living space in your house.
Kanske får en mening igen.
I have no complaints regarding the sound, as I know the main draw for this product is the aesthetics and modularity in design. I would even venture to say it's in a different category of its own. For those looking purely for sound and not design, I would suggest to look elsewhere. Closing off, the Small Transparent Speaker is more than just a regular speaker. It's a statement piece, a commitment to sustainability, and a testament to engineering. If you're looking for a speaker that stands out from the rest in design, with still a pleasing sound quality as a casual listener, this might just be the one for you. The build quality is excellent. As someone having high standards in material selection and tactility, I was not disappointed with the Small Transparent Speaker. It's a product that you'll enjoy looking at and using every single day, and I think that's the charm of this product. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the BrandsWalk channel. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. The small transparent speaker is available in white, black, and a new metal colorway, available now on BrandsWalk. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.